Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing and unboxing the new YSL Advent Calendar. This is it. This was a total kind of a surprise buy for me. I was definitely not in the market for this. It just popped up and I got suckered in by, I don't know if it was an Instagram ad or something, but I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, this wasn't even on my radar. I recently did my Dior Advent Calendar unboxing, so check that out. I'll put the link down below. I knew going into the holiday season that I would definitely get that because I missed out the last couple years. But this one, I wasn't expecting to get this. They got me. They got me with this. I got this direct from the YSL website. This retails for $300, so the price is a little better than the Dior Advent Calendar, which retails for $460. But what was great about the YSL one is, I don't know if the promo is still going on, I'll definitely include the link, but I got this for 20% off from the YSL Beauty website. So from $300, that brought it down to $240. I was a little disappointed, I would say, with the packaging, I guess. So not the packaging of this. This was packaged very well. It came in this sleeve, and then the back of the sleeve has all the information about what's contained inside. It was packaged very well. Had a lot of bubble wrap, very well protected. But at checkout, I opted to get a gift box. And I normally, it's a gift for myself, to myself. I don't usually get gift boxes, especially if you have to pay extra. I think I had to pay $4 extra. But I am in the middle of a move and I figure I have Chanel Beauty boxes, I have Dior boxes, LV, for my purposes, I wanted to use it as part of my move. Because I knew this would be really big, I thought, okay, great, it must be a huge gift box for this to fit inside, right? It wasn't. They sent me this. So it's like, okay, it didn't really have dimensions and measurements inside when you add this to your cart, but if you're buying something and you add a gift box, you would think that the gift box would fit the item that you're purchasing. So, I literally was like, oh, they forgot to include the gift box, because like when you order from Dior, they include a box, like a Dior box, where all your samples and freebies go inside. And sometimes it's even separate from what you purchase. So they'll include 2 boxes sometimes, but this was like, I paid $4 for this. So I thought they forgot to include it. I even got on the phone with customer service and I was like, oh, I added a gift box, but there was no gift box included. So they shipped another one out and they're like, oh, we're so sorry, we'll ship you another gift box. So I got a confirmation email and it was the exact same product code for the YSL gift box anyway. So yeah, so unfortunately, just so that I manage your expectations, if you were getting this and you added the gift box expecting it to fit this, it is not going to fit this. This is the gift box and it included these samples that I chose. So I just chose 2 fragrance samples. The deluxe sample, I chose one of their serum primers. And then it included a full-size lip stain. I don't know what it would come in if you opt to not get the gift box, but this is the $4 gift box that I got that does not fit the actual item that I purchased. Okay, so this is it. The back of this is just plain black, but the front is this really cool, it's like a glittery red, I guess like an animal print type texture. It's raised and has the glitter. The YSL is just a metallic kind of a foil, so it can be really shiny depending on how much light you want to put in here. So it's got the signature YSL logo that opens up. It's attached on the left side. And this is it right here. And so we'll just go ahead and start. I really like that this has drawers that can open up, and so it's a lot more, kind of reusable. If you want to use this next year, you can just put in new stuff. Start with one. Here's one. One is, these are individually wrapped. One is a mini Opium YSL. I don't have this, so interesting. I love these mini bottles, and I like especially when the mini bottle is the same design as the full size. Number 2. Oh, number 2 is a mini of the Lieb perfume, and I have a full size of this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let me grab the full size. Okay, so for reference, here's the full size of the YSL Lieb. This is probably my favorite packaging because it has that really pretty raised YSL logo. The mini kind of looks like it, but this is just an imprint on the glass. It's not raised the way the YSL, the full size is. Number 3, a mini lipstick, Rouge Pour Couture. Okay, let's open this. Okay, very bright holiday red. Mini lipstick. What's the name? 01, I guess, is the number code. Day 4. Day 4 is a mini mascara. Day 5. Oh, this is that pattern, so I really like that. They kind of alternate, it makes it a little different. Oh, what's this skinny thing here? Eyeliner. Day 5 is the waterproof eye pencil in black. Day 6. So they have a little heart sticker with that same design. Okay, the Touche Eclat Radiant Touch Luminous Ivory. So I don't have this. Okay, oh, so I think it's yeah, it's like a liquid highlighter. So you push the bottom and then it comes up here. I love liquid highlighters. Okay, day 7. Another lip product. This is the Rouge Pour Couture 09. Okay, oh, okay, this is pretty. This is just like a regular nude compared to the red. Day 8. And this black tissue is just a plain black tissue. It's not like it's not like a branded tissue paper. Oh my gosh, did this leak? Oh no. That kind of sucks. Huh. It's interesting because this doesn't even feel like... Okay, yeah, so I guess you can see here it leaked a little bit, but okay, well, that's kind of disappointing. So this is going to be the second time that I call their customer service because, yeah, this is missing. Okay, yeah, you can see, oh my gosh, see, it's coming all out in my hand. There must be... Oh, it's cracked in here. Ugh, that's annoying. Okay, yeah, this is cracked. Great. Well, okay, well, at least it didn't get into anything else. You know, eye makeup remover, you have to be really careful because it can totally soak through other things. So that kind of sucks. All right. So that's kind of a bummer. So that was 8, a leaky eye makeup remover. Okay, 9, a velvet cream. I don't know if I've tried this before. It looks really pretty. 216, is that the color code? It's very pretty. It looks like a nice beigey, like nude mauve. So that's 9. Oh my gosh, see how this just got everywhere. Ugh, I'm so annoyed. Okay, number 10. Pure Shots Hydra Bounce Lotion Essence. They have a whole line of Pure Shots. I've used them before. It's really nice. It's kind of like, it feels like skincare, but it's really like a primer. And they have different goals. So they have, like, this is for hydration. They have one for firming. I really like that whole line. I haven't used all of them, but I don't think I've tried the Hydra Bounce one. But yeah, I'm all for skincare and makeup. Ugh, this eye makeup remover got all over everything now. Okay, 11 is back here. Another mascara. Volume Mascara, the curler. You know, I've tried samples of YSL mascara. I think they're okay. I really need to do like a dedicated try on because I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's 12. 12 was the one that got all messed up. Oops. Okay, 12 is another lip product. Glossy Stain. Okay. I like lip gloss. I usually prefer a glossy hydrating finish rather than a matte. Looks like a bright red. 13. Okay, yay. I love mini fragrances. So this is a mini of the Black Opium, and I already own the full size. So yeah, I wonder if these are different because this looks kind of orange and then the full size is pink. I know they have different like flankers of it. There's a neon and then there's like a midnight or something. There's number 14. 14 is another lip mini lipstick. This is the Rouge Pour Couture. So same lip line in a different color, 13. This one is like a coral red. I would say these are probably my least used types of colors. They're just very bright, and I don't know if they're all that flattering on my skin tone. I'm pretty tan. But maybe in the summer it would be nice. I really should kind of branch out more with my lipstick. 15's right here. Matte stain. So yeah, I probably will just go ahead and gift this. I don't prefer matte stains, and I really, this color is just, I mean, who knows, maybe I should try out different colors. But yeah, if you like that color. So this is color code 1, number 1, I don't know the name of it. 16 is, okay, another one of the Pure Shots that I mentioned. So this is the Night Reboot Serum. I love night serums. I love serums. I love night serums because it's like doing the work while you're sleeping. So yeah, I will definitely use this up, and I will let you know what it's like. Okay, it's like a bifacile, so you have to mix it. See? Ooh, look at that. Okay. 17 is right here. Same collection. Rouge Pour Couture 9, is this 19? Okay, let's see this color. Okay. You know, I actually do like these colors, like bright pink. The color in real life is more purple than what's showing here. Okay, number 18. Where's 18? Oh, here. It's hard to see with the red design. 18. Ooh, I love these mini fragrances. This is a mini of the Montaigne YSL fragrance. Ooh, I like this little bow. It's cute. Velvet and leather. 19 is, oops, another lipstick. Okay. I'm gonna have all the colors by the time this is over. This is color 52, and okay, this is like a cool toned nude pink, I guess I would describe it. So yeah, I probably will get more use out of this and the other nude than the purple one. Okay, 20 has the YSL logo on here. And this is the Touche Éclat Blur Primer. I was obsessed with this primer for the longest time. I love this. I always used to get this exact deluxe sample from Sephora whenever it was an option. It just, I love how it feels on the skin, and it really has a grip, you know, when you put your makeup on. It has these little gold flecks in it. I haven't used this in a while though, because I find that I just really don't prefer that kind of silicone-y feeling anymore. I like more of a lotion type primer, but I will get through this, but I usually don't purchase this anymore. 21 has these little stars. I will say these are kind of cute from far away, but up close, you know, like it's kind of peeling. I don't know. It's just a little sticker. It's okay. Another fragrance. Oh, okay. So this is, you know how every luxury designer has like their Privé, or like Dior has their Maison, Chanel has the exclusive fragrances. So this is part of their vestiaire, I think it's called, like wardrobe. This is called Tuxedo. I haven't tried this one yet. I really like, it's called Jumpsuit, and they have another one called Blouse or Blouse. So yeah, Tuxedo. So this is really cute. This is what I wanted the Dior Advent Calendar to include. I wanted them to include, you know, the exclusive fragrances within their Advent Calendar, but they didn't. So I'm glad that they have this one in here. So that's 21, Tuxedo. Oh, and look, it even tells you what the notes are. I don't know what that is. Epices and Patchouli. 22 says love in the corner. And oh, look at that, it has a little sticker. And oh, okay, a little brush, so that's nice. It's kind of like a little buffing brush. Oh, it says YSL. This is nice, I like this. I'll keep this in here. These are great. It's a good size for travel. I wish it kind of came in a little case, but I would just keep it in here for now. So yeah, a little brush. 23. This is their Top Secrets Instant Moisture Glow. I have never tried this, so I wonder if this is part of their skincare. Do they even have skincare line? I guess they do. YSL Beauty. Okay, yeah. Good to know. Okay, I look forward to trying this. Okay, and then the 24th and final day is this biggest box. It is a nail lacquer. I don't have any YSL nail polish. Oh, I like this color. I really like this color for a nail polish. Okay, I wish the color, let me see if I can change this because the color isn't accurate in real life than what's showing on the screen. Okay, that's not really, yeah. It's almost like a fuchsia tone. This is showing up more like a raspberry color, but in real life, it's very like a fuchsia. I definitely recommend you guys follow me on Instagram. It's @aheatedmess. Whenever there's a good deal, I'll post on my Instagram. And also when this comes back in stock or, you know, any other deals, like especially for the holidays. But I'll also include pictures of these and hopefully they'll be more true to life. So that is the 24th day. That is the entire Advent calendar. That is the entire YSL Advent calendar for 2020. I think it's really pretty packaging and I love the display. These are all the innards that came with it. I really like the mini fragrances. This unfortunately was the dud because it was totally empty, the eye makeup remover. But yeah, they got some goodies in here. There are a lot of lipsticks. I really like that they included one of their Vestiaire fragrances and also a brush. Overall, I think it's an okay value, especially with the 20% off and then with the additional freebies that was included. I like the layout of it and I like that you can reuse it and, you know, put some new goodies in the drawers so you can reuse this for next year, which is what I definitely plan on doing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the YSL Advent Calendar and if you plan on picking this up or any others this year. And I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.